Hey guys, it's Ryan. I just wanted to do a quick video here while I'm running some errands, and wanted to let you guys know how awesome it is. We just hit 500 subscribers, which I know doesn't sound like a lot, but it takes a lot to get there. And I just want to thank you guys because you're the first ones to sign up and to support me and making these videos. I'm hoping to jump to a more consistent release schedule. It's just hard when, you know, this is kind of a hobby right now, and it's just fun to do it and to make these videos for you guys. And I love hearing your guys' comments and feedback on different things, and it's just been cool. So I wish I had something for you guys as far as, like, I know some YouTubers do a giveaway, but I don't have anything really to give away. So maybe next time at 1,000 subscribers we'll try to do something like that. So anyway, yeah, I only started doing this about in April, I guess, when all this COVID crap went down and we kind of all got quarantined to our houses. Like, what are you gonna do? Might as well start a YouTube channel. And so that's what I did. And the funny thing is that I actually started it because I wanted to be, you know, I watch a lot of YouTube, probably way too much. Something's squeaking back here. Yeah, there we go. So I wanted to do kind of a tech channel, hence the name High Tech on Life. And you know, there's so many out there, and how do you do something that's unique and, you know, something that hasn't been done already? It's tough. It's very tough to do that. So I don't know. And then I bought the ATEM Mini because I thought that I really wanted to do a lot more live broadcasts and things like that too. You know, tech news type stuff and those kind of things. And it just didn't really work out because as soon as I did my ATEM, was it my All Things Audio video, that thing kind of, at least for me, it blew up. It has a ton of views on it, and you guys really love it and got a very, very positive response from it. So I just kind of been going in that direction since I work in production, and that's my day job, is doing, you know, production audio. So I just started sharing what I know, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. And so the channel, I don't know whether to stay with this stuff or do more, you know, broad tech review stuff. I know a lot of the guys who've been doing these ATEM videos kind of stick to this stuff and stick to that niche, and, you know, that's good. I think it's really good to do that. But my mind goes everywhere. I'm not diagnosed with ADD, but I feel like I have it in some sense, just because I can never focus on one thing at a time. I'm always looking for something else to do. So I don't know. So the big question is, do I stick with that name, the High Tech on Life, or do I switch it to something else? Do I just put my name on it, or, you know, like some of the other guys have done, and maybe that's the road I need to go? But if you guys have any suggestions on what to do kind of for this niche, or what would be kind of a cool channel name for this, let me know in the comments, and then I'll look at it and see what we have. But again, I just want to thank you guys because it's really fun to read your comments. I enjoy answering back when I can, if I can help you guys out. You know, I've helped quite a few of you, or given suggestions on what to do to kind of fix a situation you're in. And I've always loved doing that ever since I used to do sales back in the day. And it was always very fun and rewarding helping someone out with their setup and just making things work. So thank you guys again. Let's get to 1,000 a little quicker this time. Thanks, guys.